Medical Lake's superintendent says they are ready to welcome back staff and students to schools across the district starting tomorrow, even though the Gray Fire destroyed hundreds of homes less than 2 weeks before the first day. And that unexpected challenge means they've had to find new ways to welcome kids back and support them throughout the entire year. Within days of the Gray Fire swallowing homes and land in Medical Lake, the town's school district was thinking ahead. Was it possible to start on August 30th?
We definitely asked ourselves that question.
And the answer, says Superintendent Kimberly Headrick, came from the school board, administrators, and MLSD family surveys.
If we could do it, that we needed to do everything we could to have school start on time.
School will start as planned, and Dr. Hedrick says they're ready to meet students where they are.
For some kiddos, getting into the normal of learning and math and reading are absolutely, the way that they need to process and deal with what's going on. But for others, they're going to need some more kind of those social emotional type supports. 12
district employees and as many as 20 families were displaced by the Gray Fire, but countless others are dealing with the emotional and financial toll too.
Having to be evacuated for 4 or 5 days, they then had to spend maybe their school supply money or their rent money on being in a hotel.
MLSD is able to help with school supplies and other resources. The federal McKinney-Vento Act means displaced students won't be left behind even if they're temporarily out of the district.
We provide transportation. We actually partner with, if they are living in a neighboring school district or somewhere else within the area, we partner with those school districts to provide transportation, both to and from school.
There are also mental health counselors in the buildings and a family parent partner to help guardians navigate this unexpected year. And for families needing a little more time, Dr. Hedrick says they'll meet them too when they're ready.
If you're not ready, or your family's not in a situation where you're not ready to start with us on the first day of school, that's okay. That's okay.
Dr. Hedrick says it's also not just about the start of the school year, but getting kids through the entire year. So they're going to keep checking in with their families, and that means they may need to call on the community once again for support as they figure out what those continuing needs are. In Medical Lake, Shannon Mowdy, KREM 2 News.